Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe if you're not done before. Please support me. Post your comments, thoughts, suggestions, feedback, improvements, everything in comment section. Share videos with your friends. I'll be sharing more videos on plans, interior works, all the construction ideas, beautiful tips. Let's get into the plan 30 cross 60. So 30 is width and 60 the length. Plot east facing duplex house plant. So whatever you are seeing is ground floor plan. Let's get into the plan depth level. So the very first part, here is the main gate area, and parking area. It will come around very good space. You will get it around 15 cross 15. And the kitchen part, this you can extend it since we have a very good space, so you can extend around 14 cross 9 or 16 cross 9. And this is kind of an open kitchen, so where you have the dining over here, and the steps I given from left to right. If you want, as per the vastu, you can make the steps from here also. Both are same. Since we have more space, you can utilize the either of utilizing the play area something, and you can use these areas for storage purposes. And the second part, hall. So it's a very big hall. It's a beautiful place. Here either you can have the TV unit here, and beautiful, very lengthy one, or else you can partake, you can have a small partition, and you can have the TV unit here. And the final section would be two rooms. So this is 15, so we will get around 15 cross 11, or you can have it as a 12. So after all the measurements, and both are attached 5 cross 7 or 8, you can have it. So whatever you want to feel, but this is a high level plan. So where you can, so I had the assumption that so left 2 feet outside. That's how I planned. If you want to reduce the this room size, you can have a open space like a sit out area, and you can extend it. So if you have around at least bare minimum of 6 to 8 feet, then it would be great. Thank you for watching. It's overall a good plot size 30 cross 60. Share with your friends. Thank you.